Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria Sitinge. I'm originally from the Kingdom of Lesotho. My purpose for teaching is to give back to the community. And I teach wherever I feel comfortable to share my knowledge, where I feel my gift is welcome. And I chose to teach here on YouTube. Chemistry. I would like to invite you to the periodic table. Could you please look for your periodic table and look for hydrogen? How many atoms does it have? Yes, 2 atoms. Brilliant. Now, imagine that this number here is 2. There are 2 markers in here. And let me show you. 2 markers. And imagine that this box is sealed and I am at a store. If you are in Southern Africa or Lesotho, OK Bazaar or Pep Store, that's where we can do our shopping. In the United States, you're at Walmart or Smith's, and you want to buy this box of markers. Can you open the box? When you see this, wherever it's displayed on the shelf, can you open the box? No. Somebody would probably call the manager on you, or if it were me, they would call the manager on me, or the security. Some people would call the police. So we don't want to do that. Could you tell me what it is that you have control over as far as buying these markers? I'll give you one moment to think about it. Of course, you have control over the number of boxes you can buy. It is the same with balancing equations. Hydrogen has 2 atoms, like you said, over here. But we don't go inside to move those atoms around. There is one thing we can move around: the number of boxes, the number of hydrogens. And in this example, this represents hydrogen. The 2 markers inside represent the atoms. We don't touch those. Those are your subscripts. That is the subscript on hydrogen. And this whole thing represents 1 molecule of hydrogen. And like some of you rightly said, you can move around the number of boxes you buy. So if you buy 2 boxes of markers, those are 2 molecules. And if we imagine this box to be hydrogen, this is 1 molecule of hydrogen with 2 atoms. And when we balance our equations, we don't go inside. We look at the coefficients. Those are the number of molecules. Here, the number of atoms. These atoms here, our subscript. Actually, you know why? Just imagine them to be the same color, because this is an example, but it still needs to be perfect. You know what I mean? I'm going to let you figure out why is it not a good idea to say that the hydrogen atoms here in this example, one is red and another is black. Explain why that's not a good example. So let's keep them the same color. They are both black or they're both red, whatever color you choose, but they are the same color. All right, and that's it. When we balance our equations, we look at the coefficients, the number of boxes. We don't touch the subscripts. Those are the number of atoms. And I hope you have a lovely day. And thank you again for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here, and I hope you are too.